In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini AI with Flutterflow app. We'll be doing this with Flutterflow's AI Agents feature, which is the recommended approach because it makes the setup much simpler and keeps everything organized inside your project. First, sign into Flutterflow and open the project where you want to add Gemini AI. Make sure you're inside the correct app before you begin, since the agent you create will be connected to that specific project. Once your project is open, go to the left sidebar and find AI Agents. Open that section, then click Create Agent. You'll be asked to give your agent a name. Choose something clear and practical so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple agents for different tasks. Next, set up the provider. Choose Chat as the agent type, then select Google, which uses Gemini. After that, choose the Gemini model you want to work with. Depending on your setup, you may also need to enter an API key. If that's required, just add your own key in the appropriate field. Avoid sharing or displaying that key publicly since it's sensitive information. Now it's time to configure the agent itself. Add a system prompt that explains how you want the AI to behave. This is important because it gives the model direction and helps improve the quality and consistency of its responses. You can also enable text input, and if your selected setup supports it, you may optionally enable image or PDF input as well. When everything looks right, save the agent. After the agent is ready, connect it to your app interface. Add a text field so users have a place to type their prompts, then add a button and label it Send. You'll also need a text widget or a markdown widget to display the AI's response. Markdown can be especially useful if you want cleaner formatting in the generated output. With those elements in place, select the button and add the AI agent action called Send Message. This action will send the user's input to your Gemini agent, then bind the returned response to the output widget you added so the generated text appears directly in your app. Finally, test everything. Run your app, type a prompt into the input field, and tap Send. If your setup is correct, Gemini will generate a response right inside your Flutterflow app. That's the full process. Once this is working, you'll have a solid foundation for adding AI-powered chat experiences directly into your Flutterflow project.